Welcome to Mindful Moments, your Zen path to serenity. Today we embark on a journey toward inner peace and clarity. In a world that often feels chaotic, nurturing mindfulness can serve as a powerful tool that brings us back to our true selves. Join me as we explore this serene path together. Mindfulness is more than just a buzzword. It's a transformative practice. It is the art of being present, of savoring each moment, and embracing life as it is. To be mindful is to acknowledge thoughts, emotions, and sensations without judgment. Let's take a moment to reflect on what mindfulness truly means. Research has shown that practicing mindfulness can significantly reduce stress, enhance focus, and increase overall happiness. Imagine life with less anxiety, where thoughts flow freely and moments are rich with meaning. Together, let's tap into these benefits as we navigate our path to serenity. Breathing is the cornerstone of mindfulness. Take a deep breath in, hold it. Now, gently exhale. Notice how the body feels with each breath. Let's practice a few moments of conscious breathing. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 6. Repeat this cycle several times, allowing the mind to settle and the body to relax. Now, let's set an intention for our mindfulness journey. What would you like to manifest in your life? Peace? Clarity? Let's take a moment to visualize this intention. Picture it blossoming within you, guiding your actions throughout the day. Walking can be a powerful form of mindfulness. Each step taken can anchor us in the present. Let's practice mindful walking together. As you walk, pay attention to how your feet touch the ground. Feel the earth beneath you and notice the sensations in your body. Embrace the rhythm of your movement. Gratitude is a profound practice often intertwined with mindfulness. Let's take a few moments to reflect on what we are grateful for in our lives. It can be as simple as appreciating a morning cup of tea or the warmth of a loved one's embrace. Acknowledging gratitude transforms our perspective, bringing more serenity into our daily lives. Now, let's tap into creative visualization as a technique to enhance our mindfulness practice. Imagine a serene landscape that embodies your ideal place of tranquility. Picture the vibrant colors, hear the soothing sounds, and feel the peaceful energy. Allow this visualization to fill you with a sense of calm and inspiration. Mindfulness doesn't have to be limited to meditation. It can be incorporated into every aspect of life, from eating mindfully to journaling. Each moment is an opportunity to practice presence. Let's explore some simple ways to immerse mindfulness into daily activities, creating an ongoing experience of serenity. As we conclude our journey today, remember that the path to serenity is a personal one. It's filled with ups and downs, but embracing mindful moments can bring lasting peace. Carry the essence of today with you. Commit to finding small pockets of mindfulness in your day-to-day life. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of your Zen path to serenity. Share your experiences and insights with others, spreading the light of mindfulness.